Hello, welcome aboard. My name is Andrew Trueblood, and I'm the listing broker for SYS Yacht Sales here in Seattle. Today we're going to take you on a video tour and sea trial of a 2006 Selene 57 called Alacio. Alacio has an extensive options list and equipment inventory. For entertainment, there are 3 flat panel TVs with a TrackVision satellite TV system, a Yanmar wing engine for auxiliary propulsion, a 12 kW Northern Lights generator, a Magnum 3000 watt inverter, an HRO water maker, a fully redundant navigation system with 2 open array radars, 3 Furuno NavNet systems, including a Dell Navigation PC with Coastal Navigator and Noveltech programs. Alacio's gourmet galley has all the amenities you could expect, with a Miele dishwasher, a Broadwater 4-burner stove and oven, a built-in GE stainless steel convection microwave oven, a Sea-Freeze upright refrigerator and freezer, a Brone compactor, 2 Sub-Zero freezer drawers opposite the galley, and a GE garbage disposal. Also included are an ASCO washer and dryer in the lazarette and a Cable Master shore power cord handling system. On deck, Alacio has a factory hardtop, a custom force bar mast and boom that is rated at 1,250 pounds to lift a 12-foot Apex tender with a 50 horsepower Yamaha. For propulsion, Alacio is equipped with an upgraded John Deere 6125 AFM that pushes her quietly at 60 decibels for a comfortable cruise of 9 to 10 knots. The Selene 57 delivers exceptional fuel economy and an extended range of over 3,000 nautical miles. The hull of the Selene 57 is a full displacement design that has been rigorously tank tested at SSSI to provide optimal hydrodynamic performance for ocean passage making in all sea conditions. The Selene 57 is CE certified by Lloyd's for Class A ocean going. Selene ocean trawlers are known throughout the world for their solid construction, sea-kindly hull designs, and finely finished interior joinery. Alacio is as fine an example of this as you'll find anywhere on the brokerage market. So give us a call today for a boarding appointment. Thanks for joining us.